Welcome dear students. Today we are going to solve sums from practice set 3.4. The first question is, on 1st January 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10, rupees 11 on second day, rupees 12 on third day and so on. So if she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total savings? Now Sanika saves rupees 10 on the first day, rupees 11 on the second day, rupees 12 on the third day and so on. Therefore 10, 11, 12 etc. is a sequence. Since the common difference is 1 everywhere, so second term minus first term, third term minus second term, so that is constant 1 everywhere, this sequence is an AP. A is first term, 10, D is common difference, that is 1. Now the year 2016 was a leap year. Leap year means that number is divisible by 4. Therefore a leap year has 366 days. Therefore n is equal to 366. The total savings in 366 days, that is denoted by what? S, that 366. Now let us write the formula. Sn equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Next substitute the values. Therefore S 366 is equal to 366 divided by 2 into 2 multiplied by 10 plus 366 minus 1 into 1. Now when we divide, we will get 183 into, this is 20 plus, now 366 minus 1 is what? 365. That multiplied by 1 is what? 365 only. So 183 into, now when we add these two we get 385. So when we multiply these two we will get 70,455. Therefore Sanika saves rupees 70,455. Next, second question is, a man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of rupees 1,360 in 12 monthly installments, each installment being less than the preceding one by 40. Find the amount of first and last installments. Now the amount repaid is what? Principal plus interest. Principal is rupees 8,000, interest is rupees 1,360. Therefore the total amount is 9,360. That is what? Sn. The number of installments is what? 12. That is n is equal to 12. Now each installment is 40 rupees less than the preceding one. That means less than the preceding one means D is what? Minus 40. So since this D is constant everywhere, this is an AP. Now let us write the Sn formula. Sn equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d and substitute the values. Therefore S12 is equal to 12 upon 2 into 2a plus 12 minus 1 into d is minus 40. Now this is what? S12 is what? The amount 9,360 and divide this by 2 we get 6. That is 2a plus, this is 11 multiplied by minus 40. 11 multiplied by minus 40 is what? Minus 440. So 9,360 is equal to 6 into 2a minus 440. So 9,360, bring the 6 this side, so divided by 6 which is equal to 2a minus 440. So when we divide this by 6 we get 1560 which is equal to 2a minus 440. Now keep this at the left hand side. 2a minus 440 equal to what? 1560. Therefore 2a is equal to, bring this to the other side, that is plus 440. So therefore 2a equal to what? 2000. Therefore a is equal to 2000 divided by 2 which is equal to 1000. Therefore A is equal to what? 1000, that is the first installment. The last installment is what? Tn. So write Tn formula. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. Therefore T12 equal to, now a is the first installment. Okay. 1000 plus 12 minus 1 into minus 40. So this is 11 into minus 40, that is minus 440. 1000 minus 440 is what? 560. So this is last installment. This is last installment. Therefore the first installment is 1000 rupees. The last installment is rupees 560. Next, third sum. Sachin invested rupees 5000 for the first year, rupees 7000 for the second year, rupees 9000 in the third year in National Savings Certificate Scheme. How much amount did he invest in 12 years? Sachin invested rupees 5000 for the first year, rupees 7000 for the second year, rupees 9000 for the third year, and so on. Therefore 5000, 7000, 9000, etc. This is a sequence, and since D is 2000, 7000 minus 5000, 9000 minus 7000. D is constant everywhere. This is an AP. Okay. Now A is what? First term, that is 5000. D is common difference, that is 2000, and N is what? 12. Therefore we have to find out S12. Let us write the formula. Sn equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore S12 equal to 12 upon 2 into 2 multiplied by 5000 plus 12 minus 1 into 2000. So this is, when we divide we get 6, and when we multiply this is 10,000 plus 11 multiplied by 2000, that is 22,000. So 6 into, when we add these two, 32,000. So 6 multiplied by 32,000, which is equal to 1,92,000. So Sachin invested rupees 1,92,000 in 12 years. Next, question number 4. Now there is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row, 24 seats in third row, and so on. Find the number of seats in the 15th row and also find the total number of seats in the auditorium. Now 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row, 24 seats in the third row, and so on. Therefore 20, 22, 24, etc. This is a sequence. Now since D is constant everywhere, 22 minus 20 is 2, 24 minus 22 is also 2. Since D is constant everywhere, this is an AP. Now A is first term, that is 20, D is 2. Now to find the number of seats in the 15th row, that is T15. Okay, for that first write the Tn formula. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the values. So therefore T15 equal to A is 20. Substitute the values. 20 plus 15 minus 1 into 2. So 20 plus 14 into 2. Multiply this first. So that is 28. So 20 plus 28 is what? 48. Therefore T15 is what? 48. Next, to find the total number of seats in 27 rows. Okay. Total number of seats, that is sum of seats in the auditorium. So that is S27. Write the Sn formula. Sn equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. S27 equal to 27 upon 2 into 2 multiplied by 20 plus 27 minus 1 into 2. So 27 upon 2 into, multiply these two, that is 40 plus this is 26 multiply by 2. So 27 upon 2 into 40, multiply this is plus 52. So 27 upon 2 multiply by 92. So cancel this. Okay. So we get 46. So 27 multiplied by 46, which is equal to 1242. So yes, 27 is 1242. So there are 48 seats in the 15th row and the total number of seats in the auditorium is 1242. Next, question number 5. That is, Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. All readings were in AP. Already given, all readings were in AP. The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. If the temperatures of Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius, then find the temperature on the other 5 days. The temperatures are in AP, that is given. So let the temperature from Monday to Saturday in degrees Celsius be A minus 3D, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D respectively. That is, Monday's temperature is A minus 3D, Tuesday's A minus 2D, and Wednesday's A minus D, Thursday's A, Friday's A plus D, Saturday's A plus 2D. Now the temperature on Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius. Now Wednesday is what? A minus D. So A minus D is equal to minus 30. So let us take this as equation 1. Now according to the given condition, the sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday. Monday is what? A minus 3D plus Saturday is what? A plus 2D, which is equal to 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. Tuesday is what? A minus 2D plus Saturday A plus 2D, 5 degree more, so plus 5. Okay, then open the bracket, A minus 3D plus A plus 2D, which is equal to A minus 2D plus A plus 2D plus 5. Just cancel this minus 2D and plus 2D. So here A plus A is 2A minus 3D plus 2D, which is equal to minus 1D, which is equal to A plus A 2A plus 5. So you can cancel this 2A and this 2A. When we bring this 2A to this side, automatically it gets cancelled. So 2A and 2A get cancelled. Therefore minus D is equal to what? 5. Therefore D is equal to what? Minus 5. Now substituting D is equal to minus 5 in equation 1, we get A minus D is minus 30. Therefore A minus of minus 5 is minus 30. So A plus 5 is what? Minus 30. Therefore A is equal to what? Minus 30 minus 5, which is equal to minus 35. A is minus 35 and D is minus 5. Therefore the temperatures on the following days will be A minus 3D equal to what? Substitute the values, minus 35 minus 3 into minus 5. Multiply these two, first minus into minus is plus, plus 15. So minus 35 plus 15 is what? Minus 20. And A minus 2D is what? Minus 35 minus 2 multiplied by minus 5. So multiply these two first. So minus into minus plus, plus 10. So minus 35 plus 10 is minus 25. Okay, and Wednesday is already given, that is minus 30 degree Celsius. Thursday is what? Thursday is A, simply A, that is minus 35. And Friday is A plus D. So minus 35 plus of minus 5. So that is minus 5. So same sign, put the same sign, and that is 40 degrees Celsius. And Saturday is A plus 2D, that is minus 30 plus 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10, which is equal to minus 45 degrees Celsius. Therefore Monday's temperature was minus 20 degrees Celsius, Tuesday's minus 25 degrees Celsius, Wednesday's minus 30 degrees Celsius, Thursday's minus 35 degrees Celsius, Friday's temperature was minus 40 degrees Celsius, and Saturday's temperature was minus 45 degrees Celsius. Next, the last sum. On the World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in shape. Trees are planted such that in the first row there is one tree, in the second row there are two trees, in the third row there are three trees, and so on. Find the total number of trees in 25 rows. So, one tree in the first row, one tree in the first row, two trees in the second row, three trees in the third row, and so on. So, therefore, 25 trees in the 25th row. So, therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 25. Okay. Now, this is an AP because the common difference is constant. Here A and T1, that is first term, 1. D is also 1. Tn is what? 25. And N is also what? Given, that is 25. Now, to find the total number of trees in 25 rows, we can use both the formula. Okay. So, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or we can use, since we know the first term and the last term, we can use Sn equal to n upon 2 into T1 plus Tn. First, let us use this formula. So, substitute the values. S25 equal to 25 upon 2 into 2 into 1 plus 25 minus 1 into 1. So, 25 upon 2 into 2 plus, this is 24 into 1 is 24. So, 24 plus 2 is what? 26. So, 25 upon 2 into 26 divided by 2, so we will get 13. So, 25 multiplied by 13, which is what? 325. So, by using this formula, Sn equal to n upon 2 into T1 plus Tn. So, S25 equal to 25 upon 2 into, this is first term is 1 and last term is 25. So, that is 25 upon 2 into, this is 26, divide this by 2, we get 13. So, 25 multiplied by 13 is equal to what? 325. Therefore, the total number of trees are what? 325. That's all, my dear children.